everyone, my name is Jonathan. Today I'm gonna use this, there, that, and this. The sentence. How do them? Them are how to use them. 1. This is my bed. 2. These are my book. 3. That is my answer. 4. Those are my pens. Okay, you understand. Thank you, sir.